Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. We've got an absolutely cracker HX GTS coming up the next auction. Now this car's finished in a very, very rare colour called Sierra Tan. It was a HX colour only, and HX GTSs were the first of the Monaros to get the colour-coded bumpers. The HQs, HJs all had chrome bumpers, but the HXs were the first with the colour-coded bumpers. Now this car's a factory 308. Factory automatic. It was optioned with air conditioning and power steering. And back when the HX came out, the buyers seemed to change a little bit from the HQs and HJs. They wanted a bit more luxury. They wanted automatic transmission. They wanted air conditioning and power steering. So this car sort of ticked all the boxes. It's optioned with the factory rear spoiler. They were an option back in the day. The car's basically stock standard bar the wheels, but they're period correct deep-dish wheels that most people put on the cars back then. It's black and cream interior. And it's just a ripper car. It's been painted over 10 years ago. It's only had 2 owners and it's only travelled 101,000 kilometres. It's got logbooks, it's got all the correct paperwork with it. And just to see one in this condition, this colour, it's really rare today. And this is just a great combination. Finding a 308 one's pretty rare because most of them are 253s. Turbo 400 gearbox, which was standard. But just a great car. 0 spin, it's got the Holden certificate with it, and finished in a rare colour. So if you'd like some more information, you know what to do. Give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.